seriously making us do this?
No!
OJ just thinks he's so clever.
There's no way I'm doing this!
Come on, guys, don't argue. I don't wanna force you. It's a gift from the heavens. Don't you agree?
How can you say that when no time for chit chat? Let's just get this work done and finally be free.
Cleaning's my life, and when I'm feeling down, scrubbing the floors always removes a frown. The window panes reflect the strokes in highlight. I take a new path and wash away my strife.
There better not be another verse.
Brace yourself, it's coming. You have to watch me used to give me a break. Old friends will still weakness stress in their way.
Everyone seems lazy, well I'm going crazy to clean up the mess that others will leave. But what would you in consequence? I learned that from the internet. No question, I'm a nicer host. I don't mean to boast.
You need to like it if you like yourself. Just brush up your heart just to like the yourself. Sometimes the outside world just feels so demeaning. And it doesn't close it if you just keep on cleaning.